Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And we can see that gold is still struggling to cross 5200. And at this moment, 5200 is still acting as the resistance for the market. But if we go through the articles here, you can see gold rises as Middle East conflict drags on, gold edges higher amid ongoing US-Iran conflict. So the chart is speaking a different language here, because if we go through the articles or if we judge the overall scenario, then obviously the world is burning right now. Okay, but if you look at the chart of gold here, we can see that gold is trading in a range. Yesterday we discussed why gold is not going up. Okay, though there is a war going on. Okay, but now we can see that gold is trading in a range. Maybe gold is waiting for tomorrow's NFP, because usually we see that before a major event like NFP or CPI, market trades in a range. So there is a possibility that before yesterday's not yesterday, before tomorrow's NFP, okay, market may remain choppy like this. Today also we have some news coming up during the US session, but obviously the major event of this week is the NFP. Anyways, if you're a part of our free Telegram community, okay, then you must have received a message in the morning. So if you are still not a part, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. Okay, now let's talk about the trading opportunities here. So as we have already discussed that around 5,000, okay, we have the best support. See, these levels do not work as a single number. Okay, they work as zone. So it can be 4995 also, it can be 5005 also. So when market will be entering the zone, observe the market. If you see market is taking support around 5000, 5005, 4995, okay, you can look for a buy position. But around 5000 we can expect the best or the strongest buyers are present. So as a day trader we can look for a buy. But the problem with 5000 is that it is far away from the current market price, so chances of market coming down to 5000 is less. So as a result we can look for some immediate levels like 50442 40. The blue dotted line that you see here is another level where you can look for a buy position. Okay, but this level is also far away. Okay, so as a day trader you can look for some immediate support around 5120. The dotted line that you see here is the first support. Okay, around 5120 to 15. During the day, if market comes down to this level, observe the market. Right now there is very low volume, size of the candles are very small. If market remains like this, as a day trader you can definitely expect a bounce around 512015. The second support is around 5078275. The second dotted black line that you see here is the second support. So these are the two support levels where you can look for a buy position as a day trader. Keep in mind during the US session, if you see that there is a sudden big red candle, then these two levels will not work because they are minor support levels. We are expecting them to work when the volume is low. If you see that there is a sudden big red candle, then obviously it will not work because they are minor levels. Okay, so on that case, you need to keep your eyes on 5000, because if a heavy selling comes, 5000 is the only level that may provide support to the market. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold if market comes down. The overall market sentiment is bullish, as we all know here. So obviously chances of market going up is higher. So as we have already discussed yesterday also, 5200 is acting as resistance right now. Okay, so during the day, if market breaks 5200, or let's say what is this, 5278, yeah, 5278, then we can look for a buy position. But keep in mind, in a low volume market like this, okay, buying at breakout is risky because there is always a possibility of a false breakout. So it's better, okay, if you buy if you see that there is a big green candle. Otherwise you can just avoid. As I have already mentioned or discussed yesterday also, if you do not want to take any risk, if you do not want to get trapped, what you can do is after the breakout, okay, when the market will be coming down, when 5200 will become the new support, means the previous resistance will become the new support, then you can enter, means you can buy at pullback. Buying at pullback always safer and always give you better risk to reward ratio. Okay, so 5200 is a crucial level. If market remains like this, then breakout may fail, okay, and you may get trapped after buying above 5208. So if you do not want to take risk, you can look for a pullback, because in this situation, obviously market will be coming down at one point. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Okay, and today I think, okay, either market should be coming down and give us a bounce, or market may try to go up after crossing 520708. The next resistance is on 5300. Chances of market hitting 5300 and reversal is less, because volume is extremely important. If US session brings volume, that's a different story. But as of now, while recording the video, okay, I do not see any strong volume here, so let's not discuss about it. Okay, and let's hope that we get some good trading opportunities. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable trading platform, you can consider opening your account with Vantage Markets, because Vantage Market not only is a global leader but also gives you the best trading experience and also safety to your capital. Unlike other brokers, they maintain your capital in a segregated account. They also provide insurance up to $1 million if you're trading with a big capital. They have more than 5 million registered users, and you can see that their reviews are also awesome. So if you are from, especially if you're from India and looking for a solution right now where you can trade safely, you can obviously consider Vantage Markets. I know that there are issues with internet banking and UPI, but you need to understand that the problem is with the process, not with the broker, because in India forex trading is not legal. For example, in the last 4 to 5 years, okay, forex trading was conducted by brokers like OctaFX, Exness, Vantage, okay, by using a loophole. And obviously the government of India is also smart, they are taking steps. So as a result, okay, there are issues with UPI and net banking. If you really want to trade smoothly, you need a good broker, and you need to avoid UPI and net banking. Try to use USDT if you want. But yes, if you are looking for a good reliable platform, then yes, Vantage can be the perfect solution for you, because as I just said, the problem is always with the process of deposit and withdrawal, not with a broker. Because in India, you need to understand that in India, forex trading is not legal. Okay, yet that time is gone when the deposit and withdrawal is to be very smooth. Okay, around in 2020, 2021. But nowadays, government of India and Reserve Bank of India are also taking steps, strong steps. So things are not very smooth these days. Try to use USDT and everything will fall into places. Okay, so you can use our link in the description, and you'll also get access to a WhatsApp community as well. So feel free to check out Vantage, the link in the description, and be safe, trade safely, use proper risk management.